Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Kumar Srivastava. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. Today we are going to do the topic subject physics of class 10. So now we are going to mm, do the questions. So suppose this is a circuit having the resistances. These are the resistances, and here it has been connected to a battery. It has been connected to a battery of 220 volt, and the resistances are 2 ohm and 1 ohm of the circuit. They are connected in parallel. So we have to determine the current that is flowing through this circuit. Also we have to determine the current flowing through 2 ohm resistor and 1 ohm resistor. So now we are going to solve this question. So I is the current that is flowing. So according to Ohm's law, it will be equal to the equivalent resistance. So the equivalent resistance will be connected in parallel. So it is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. So it will be, the LCM will be 2. So its LCM is 2. So it will be 1 plus 2. So it is 3 by 2. So the equivalent resistance is 2 upon 3. So this will be the equivalent resistance. Now we are putting this value in this equation. So it will be 220 upon, and it will be 2 by 3. So it will be 220 into 3 upon 2. So 2 will cancel, so it becomes 110. So it is 330 amperes. The current flowing is 330 amperes. So now we are going to calculate I1. Now we are going to calculate the current I1. So I1 is equal to, the voltage in parallel will be 220 volt and the resistance, let it be R1. So here there will be R1 resistance and here there will be R2 resistance. So it will be 220 upon 2 ohm is equal to 110 ampere current that is going to flow, and I2, that is equal to voltage upon R2. So it is equal to 2 upon 1. So it is equal to 220 amperes. So these will be the currents that will be flowing through this circuit, and we have to calculate the power of this circuit. So we are calculating the power for this circuit. So the formula for power is V is equal to VI. So the current that has been flowing through it was 330. The voltage is 220. So 220 to 330. So this will be 11 into 66 into 100. So we are solving this is 66 and this will be added. So it will become 726 and 00. So this will
726
be
नहीं दिख पाया
this will be
एकदम कोने
in
में
watts. And suppose we have to
726
find the current that is being flowing through it in 1 second. So the amount of energy dissipated will be P into T, where P is the power and T is the time. So it will be 72600 into 1. So it will be 72600. This will be in joules. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this question.
not
We
understood
have to find in this there is a parallel circuit, and therefore the voltage will be same and the current will be different. So now so the current will be same. Now we are connecting it in series. So now we have connected this circuit in series. So this will be R1 and this will be R2. This is 1 ohm and this is 2 ohm. And the voltage across this is 220 volt. So we have to find the total current that is flowing through this circuit. So the equivalent resistance through the series combination will be the sum of R1 and R2. So it will be 1 plus 2, so it will be 3 ohm. So now the current flowing through this circuit will be 220 upon 3. So dividing this 220 by 3. So 3 sevens are 21. So it will be 10. So it will be 3 times. So it is 9. Again it will come out to be 1. So it becomes 10. So it is 73.33. So this is the amount of current that is flowing through the circuit. So now we have also to find the voltage drop across this. This is here it is V1 and here it is V2. So we have to find the voltage drop. So here V1 is the voltage that is flowing, so it is I times R1. So it is I is the current, that is 220 upon 3 into R1. R1 is 1. So it will be 220 upon 3 volt. Now we have to find the current, the voltage potential difference across V2. So V2 is equal to I times R2. So it will be 220 upon 3 into the resistance, that is 2. So multiplying by 2, so it is 440 upon 3. So this will be our voltage. So I think you have understood this question. So we are going to understand this question once more. Here there is a circuit having a resistance of R1 and R2, having a resistance of 1 ohm and 2 ohm, and I current is flowing through this circuit. So the I will, and this is the potential drop across it is 220 volt. So the current flowing through it will be I. So now we are finding the equivalent resistance. It will be the sum of these two, R1 and R2. So it is 1 plus 2, that is 3 ohm. So now we are finding the current that is flowing through this circuit. So the current will be 220 upon 3. So now we have also to find out the potential drop across this circuit. Let it be across the resistor R1 is V1 and across the resistor R2 is V2. So we are finding for V1. So V1 is equal to I times the resistance, that is R1. So it is 220 upon 3 into 1. So it is 220 upon 3 volts. V2 is equal to I times R2. So it is 220 upon 3 into 2. So it is 440 upon 3 volts. So this will be our answer. I think you all might have understood this question. So now we are approaching to a next question which is very important for the exams. So the next question is we have to find out the consumption of the energy meter to find out the cost of the bill that comes in our households. So suppose there is one heater of 5 watt, a 500 watt working for 1 hour daily, and two fans of 200 watt working 5 hours daily. Three bulbs of 100 watt working for 4 hours daily. So find the cost if it is charged rupees 5 per unit
per unit.
for 30 days. So we have to find it for 30 days, the consumption. So how we are going to approach this question? So we are going to
Erase the question.
so the consumption will be, this is the unit, so it will be 500
5,000
into 1 plus 2 into 200 into 5 plus 3 into 100 into 4 upon 1000 into 5
1,000.
into 30. So here it will be, we are simplifying this, so I'm rubbing few lines to the top.
इधर कौन इरेज करेगा?
It will be 5 plus 20 plus 12 upon 10 into 5 into 30. 0 and 0 cancels from here, so it will be 27 into 5 into 3, so it will be 27 into
बड़ा
15.
क्वेश्चन.
It will be multiplying 27 by 15. It will be 5 cents 35. 5 to the 10, 1, 3, 13. And then it is 27. It is 5, 10, 4, 405. So the answer will be 405. That will be the units. That will be in rupees. So this will be our answer.